Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today we will review how to perform routine service on your Dosatron D25RE1500 11 GPM injector. The information pertains to the blue standard and the white PVDF versions. Before we start, make sure the Dosatron unit is clicking. If not, please watch the D25RE1500 troubleshooting video. To service your Dosatron D25RE1500, you will need the seal kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. It's best to perform this maintenance in a clean area, or if your Dosatron unit is in line, cover your concentrate tank so you won't lose any of the parts. To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Unscrew the 4 screws at the base of the injection stem and pull the stem straight out from the body of the injector. Set the body aside. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Then pull the check valve assembly straight out of the white stem. Unscrew the lock nut and remove the anti-lock ring. Unscrew the black adjusting nut and remove the metal retainer. Push the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve. Now unscrew and remove the beige seal nut using a quarter. Lift the retainer and seal and install the new top seal into the white stem with the raised center portion facing upward. Pick up the retainer and take a close look at it. You will notice that the top has a flat surface and the bottom has a raised ridge around the circumference. Reinstall the retainer with the flat portion facing upward. Then reinstall the seal nut and hand tighten. Remove the injection stem O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the white stem. Install the new O-ring into the groove. Then remove the injection sleeve O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the black sleeve. Install the new O-ring into the groove. To reassemble, align the groove in the white stem with the tooth inside the lower portion of the black sleeve and slide the stem down as far as possible. Slide the metal retainer onto the sleeve. Then thread the adjusting nut onto the sleeve and set it around 0.1% or 1 to 1,000. This will ensure that you'll have enough threads for the next step. Next, align the teeth inside the anti-lock ring with the grooves on the white stem and slide it onto the bottom of the stem. Then thread on the lock nut and hand tighten. Now install the new check valve assembly into the stem as shown and reinstall the check valve nut. To finish up, carefully slide the injection stem assembly onto the plunger like this. Align the 4 holes in the metal retainer with the holes in the body. Position the scale on the stem to face outward. Hand tighten the screws in a star pattern. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace it. Now thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide it onto the barb and hand tighten the nut. Make sure to set the Dosatron unit to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D25RE1500 injector. For more information, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or see the video page on our website. I'm Jason Maddox at Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.